Brunch. Okay, we'll read something first. Okay, let's start, Julia. Okay, and good afternoon,
Okay.
everyone. In this part of session, we have Julia becoming our participant as the important simulation for interview 2025. So, in this interview, we have several of role. We have in the first one, you answering using English. The second one, we have time limit. We have 15 minutes to interview and 10 minutes to giving feedback. Okay, Junia, let's we start with the first of all question was usually in common using. It's about introducing yourself. So please introducing yourself first, Junia.
Good afternoon. Allow me introduce myself in Chinese.
Okay, good. Please.
老师中午好，我叫Jenya Aristabella，来自布鲁格的，今年18岁了。我毕业于布鲁格的第一国际中学，我很高兴认识老师，谢谢。
Teacher, Junia, for your introducing in Chinese was good, yeah. Okay, let's move to the next question. You can in but if you answer all of my question is in English, little bit hard to me to understand. So maybe in this next question you will answer it in English or yeah. Okay, so next question it's about the knowledge, Johnny. Yeah. Uh, can you give me like perspective about tourism, Johnny?
Tourism. Tourism is the act of traveling for leisure, pleasure, education, or business purposes. It involves visiting various destinations, such as countries, cities, natural attractions, historical sites, and cultural events, to experience new culture, activities, and environment.
Thank you, Johnny, for your explanation about tourism. So can you give me maybe two or three destination at Purwokerto?
Destination, uh, like Curug Pengantin, it's like waterfall, Twins Waterfall. That's why the name is Curug Pengantin.
Ngamtin. Okay. Because of between, because buat waterfall.
Sorry?
Iya, ada dua air terjun, makanya dia namanya Curug Pengantin. Ya,
Yeah.
so next about the major. So what the major you choose, Johnny?
I choose culinary art.
Culinary art, and the second one,
Second is food and beverage service.
okay, can be service, and last one,
UPW.
okay. So you starting from a senior high school or or vocational school,
Senior
Johnny?
Senior high
Senior high
school.
school. Okay, so let's we talk about culinary art. So what the reason you chose a culinary art and tourism, Johnny?
The reason I chose the tourism industry because tourism is the one of the industry that continue to grow and provide many job opportunity, especially in Bali. It also it also give me the chance to meet people from different country, learn me about new culture, and improve my communication and hospitality skills. In my opinion, working in tourism will give me valuable experiment and great opportunity for personal and professional growth.
Okay. So why culinary art, Johnny?
Uh, for me, culinary art is not just about cooking delicious food, but also about creating meals that support healthy lifestyle. I'm so interested in learn how to combine taste with balance nutrition so people can enjoy their food and stay healthy at the same time. That's why I choose culinary art because I want to learn about healthy cooking and bring positive impact through food.
Okay. Thank you for your reason, Johnny. Let's move about the specific knowledge, especially at your major. Okay. Because you from starting at the culinary school, yeah. Have you ever get some experience maybe before, especially at culinary art?
Experience
Mm-mm.
I have experience in culinary art. Start during the pandemic, my family has a small business selling papaya, and I often help my parents a lot in the kitchen. But now no longer produce it. Besides that, during high school, I often joined camp and hiking activities. I was usually chosen to handle food preparation for the team. Those experience made me get used cooking in different situations, both at home or outdoor. From there, cooking became part of my daily life. Especially, I prefer to prepare healthy meals by myself. It also made me realize that cooking is something I really enjoy and I want to explore more.
Okay, let's move to the specific topic again. It's about the section, especially at kitchen area. So, did you know about a la carte and buffet?
A la carte is uh, meals in menu,
Okay,
have a
and
menu,
buffet,
and buffet uh,
buffet, yeah.
like uh, like on the table.
Okay, thank you. I will explain it later. Next, about the kitchen, yeah. In kitchen, we have several of sections, yeah. Maybe have you ever listening before about hot kitchen and cold kitchen?
Mhm.
So, can you tell me about difference between of them?
Maybe cold kitchen like for serving, no, for plating or for pastry,
Yeah, no problem, Jenny. Just answer it. I will give the explanation. Okay. So, uh,
like
next, uh, anything else you wanna about hot kitchen again? You say it about cold kitchen. After that, about hot kitchen.
uh, hot kitchen. It's like cook, cooking for uh,
No, no problem.
for
If you don't know, just say it aja. I don't know. Because it was for simulation nih. Karena ini untuk simulasi ya. Thank ya, nggak apa-apa.
I don't know, Kak.
Okay, no problem, Jenny. So let's we move to the specific again about the randomized question. So this is about Ministry of Tourism, John. Ya.
Widianti Putri,
Okay. Widianti Putri
Wardana.
Wardana. Okay, let's we move to the next minute about the randomized again. Ya. Why you choose Bali?
Uh, I just will take Bali because I want to live with my mom. Currently live in Bali. Besides that, Bali is many tourists come here and keep tourism in Bali keep growing. I believe it's great opportunity for me to learn and improve my skill, especially in tourism industry.
Okay, a little bit of personal purpose ya. Ada alasan personal. Okay, was no problem. So, let's we move to the next topic. It's about the appetizer, main course, and dessert. Have you ever listening it before?
Yeah,
Okay, can you explain it one by one?
appetizer like makanan pembuka,
Okay.
uh, like mm, escargot
Western food, bisa. And for international food, ya. For
and
seafood,
main
ya.
course like spaghetti,
Okay, spaghetti, ya.
makan berat, and dessert like makanan penutup like ice cream.
Bisa. Cream pudding and etc. Okay, let's see. Talk about the recipe and menu. Okay. So, have you bring some recipe or menu? Can like explanation to me from the preparation and how to make it?
Maybe make a high protein gluten-free pancake.
High protein, sorry.
Yeah,
Okay, fine. Please. This is
uh, put the oatmeal
okay.
and whey protein, an
Okay.
egg, water,
Mm,
and baking powder in a large bowl. Mix it until well combined. The
mm.
step two, heat and grease the pan with some butter. And step three, when the pan hot, pour the batter from the hot pan and uh, cook until the bubbles appear on the surface.
Ah,
And then flip the pancake carefully and cook until golden brown. And the last step, serve and enjoy your pancake with your favorite topping.
okay, pancake with high whey protein. High protein. Because using a whey protein. It was just for
Uh,
gym person or can be eating by a normal person.
Maybe gym person because I usually go to the gym.
Wow, because you need like protein or create your muscle. Okay,
Exactly.
it's gonna be interesting about this one, but let's we move to the next questions about the. Can you tell me about the international food and traditional food? Maybe three traditional and three international.
International food, uh, like Oriental and
No,
continental food.
please. No problem about Oriental or Continental. It's like outer of Indonesia.
Continental food, it's like from Western like a Europe country, like
Okay,
spaghetti from Italy,
okay,
sausage from Germany,
okay.
croissant from France,
Oh,
and
Asam.
Oriental foods, croissant. And Oriental food, it's from Asia, like ramen from Japan, tom yum from Thailand, and kimchi from Korea.
And traditional food in Indonesia?
Traditional food Indonesia, many more like rawon, soto,
Hmm.
nasi uduk, nasi kuning.
Okay. Okay. Enough. Enough. Thank you so much, Jenny, for your answer. How about 5 or 10 years later after you graduate from Poltekar Bali?
After graduate, I have dream to become a professional chef who can work on cruise ship or abroad.
Okay, you wanna go to cruise ship and working aboard. So next question is about the entrepreneurship. Okay. So have you ever
Yeah,
creating some business before?
I used sold food when I was in grade 11. My two friends and I often sold food during the break time. We would around the 11th grade classes selling snacks like marmit, martabak mini, cireng, magbol, and took pre-orders for various foods such as mild crabs, choco jar, mochi dango, and many more. Not only food, we even once sold dessert that we design ourselves for uh, our school anniversary. From there, we managed to earn profit of more than 1 million rupiah.
Wow, was like a lot of for student. Lumayan banyak yang anak anak sekolah. So, how about the future? Maybe you wanna creating some business on the future?
Maybe, yes, after gaining enough experience working abroad, I want to return to Bali and open a healthy food restaurant.
Especially at healthy food restaurant. Yeah,
Yes,
not in plant based, maybe. Not di plant based or just healthy.
maybe just healthy.
Okay. Good, Jonia, thank you for your answering. That's all question ya. Thank you so much. Sudah selesai untuk pertanyaannya. Let's move to the giving a feedback ya. So for your English first, it was good enough ya. Udah bagus. Ya, udah. I think because you have EF before or taking some courses,
Sorry?
pernah ngambil kursus bahasa Inggris?
Iya, dulu pas SD.
Wow, SD ya. Like effect-nya sampai sekarang masih terasa. About your bahasa Inggrisnya Joni itu, it's not in the expert place, bukan di tempat yang sangat-sangat expert. Jadi tempat-tempat yang orang-orang juga paham gitu apa yang dibilang Joni tadi. So like using a simple word, pakai bahasa Inggris yang simpel-simpel tapi yang dijelaskan tuh masuk. Oke, pertahanan ada tangga, nggak bisa dinaikin. And about your Chinese level, tentang bahasa Chinese ya tadi ya. Tadi Joni
Hmm.
pakai bahasa Chinese. So, keep it. Maksudnya simpan untuk interview nanti gitu ya. Nanti ketika interview juga pakai aja. Karena jarang. It's so rare find that person can using in Chinese ya. Ini aku baru ketemu ini pertama sih. You first using in not using in English but using in Chinese one into that things ya. Yang Germany belum, France belum. How many words you can using? Anda bisa berapa bahasa aja nih?
Eh, Sebenarnya Mandarin sedikit sih, kayak
Ah,
tipis-tipis saja. Soalnya
asik.
aku belajar dari playgroup sampai SMA.
Oh, oke. It was like group ya. Apa nggak apa. Nanti di apa di explanation nanti Mandarinnya. Maksudnya ditunjukkan di show off ketika interview. So next about kayaknya tadi yang mana ya tadi? Oh iya nih agak kesulitan ya. Apa ada
Hot
spesial?
Kitchen.
Oh iya, hot kitchen, cold kitchen. Ini tuh masuk ke dalam section in the kitchen. Ya, jadi dalam kitchen tuh nanti ada pembagian pekerjaan. Jadi ada teman-teman yang kerja di hot, ada yang di cold, ada yang di butcher, ada yang di pastry and bakery. Kalau itu tuh jangan udah tahu lah pastry and bakery. Nah, kalau yang di hot itu berhubungan sama api, Jan ya. Conducting
Hmm,
the
hmm, hmm.
food using fire, ya. Jadi makanya namanya hot, panas, ya. Jadi makanan tuh perlu pemanasan. Rata-rata semua makanan tuh harus perlu pemanasannya dalam proses memasaknya. Entah itu direbus, pasti ada api lah di sana. Jadi komponen dasarnya. Nah, itu yang disebut sebagai hot kitchen. Oke. Nah, di sana nah di samping itu ada juga yang disebut cold kitchen. About the cold kitchen. Dan jadi cold, dingin, ya. Jadi makanan tuh ada juga yang disajikan ternyata nggak perlu dimasak. Like, did you know about the sushi?
Ya,
Ya, there was not need fire sih sebenarnya, kecuali di torch ya. Tapi itu jarang ya. Maksudnya base-nya nanti itu dari fresh ya. Biasanya makanan fresh itu start
hmm,
dari
hmm.
cold, dari kulkas, lemari pendingin. Ada beberapa makanan bukan mentah, mentah sih hitungannya. Itu yang di side, yang disajikan lewat cold kitchen. Itu ya. Paham John ya?
Oke,
Ya? Oke, jadi kalau yang tadi
paham,
misalkan
paham.
dessert dan seterusnya itu masuk ke pastry and bakery biasanya kan. Nah, tapi kalau yang cold
Hmm,
itu
hmm.
makanan-makanan yang nggak perlu melalui proses pemanasan. Oke, terus tadi main course appetizer, dessert udah aman. Ini was so basic sih sebenarnya. Ini sebenarnya saya tanya tadi yang basic-basic aja sebenarnya. Cuman tadi about the section in kitchen, I think you need to being improvement. Mungkin perlu ditambah lagi di catatannya John ya. Ditambah. Ya. So
Oke.
you find first about the equipment maybe ya later. Nanti coba cari tentang equipment in the kitchen. Alat apa aja sih yang ada di kitchen. Especially ada professional kitchen. Terutama di kitchen yang profesional. Terus tadi, oh, kayaknya Jonia tadi banyak explanation about the menu. Menu yang tadi Jonia ambil jarang ya. Like usually jarang sih aku denger yang explain about high protein,
Hmm, hmm,
high
hmm.
protein itu jarang. Tapi nggak apa-apa. Kalau memang dikasih kebebasan untuk explain about the recipe, nggak apa-apa pakai itu. But if you know like mungkin disuruh untuk misalkan yang paling common using itu bisa nasi goreng, ya. Terus
Oh ya.
sop buntut, terus juga apa lagi kemarin ya? Rendang itu biasanya kalau misalkan disuruh, you know like you need to prepare ya. Maybe in traditional food or especially because you from did you know a lot of about Oriental food? Maybe you know prepare several menu ya. Jadi, mungkin disiapkan ada beberapa lah, jangan hanya satu gitu ya. Tadi kan aku minta yang Johnnya bisa, jadi Johnnya ambil aja satu. Misalkan disuruh minta, yang Johnnya bisa, yang tadi juga oke. Oke? So,
Okay.
oke, aman. So, if you have any question, please, Johnny. Mungkin ada pertanyaan lain selain daripada yang tadi.
Mungkin belum Kak.
Yakin? Aman.
Aman.
Oke, sekolah sih gimana? Aman lah ya, anak SMA sekolah sih kayaknya no issue sih.
Semoga aman lah.
So you will test on NHI or Bali?
Currently ini sekarang lagi di Bali Kak.
Udah, jadi udah di Bali.
Iya.
Oke, oke, good, good. Karena aku tadi lihat, saya kira masih di Jawa. Kayak time zone-nya takutnya beda. Baru jam tujuh. Sama loh, Lombok, Bali dekat. I will see you
Mm-mm.
maybe later. So good luck John ya. Misalkan kalau misalkan ada
Thank
pertanyaan,
you.
you can contact me on my WhatsApp. Oke, chat aja di
Siap.
channel channel. Yeah, thank you so much. And the first of all, and the last maybe, first of all, the last question is about the video. This one are being upload or just keep it for yourself?
Bebas sih.
Asik bebas. Oke. Karena konten saya masih sepi, jadi I want to being upload
Aduh.
ya. Gimana? Being upload ya? Tak apa-apa.
Kalau di YouTube belum ada kuliner nggak apa-apa sih. Buat
Kulineri
teman-teman
YouTube
biar ada
banyak,
gambaran.
banyak. Tapi yang starting with Chinese, the first one is you.
Terserah lah Kak.
Oke, siap, siap. Thank you, John, ya, for your confirmation. Jadi kalau ada apa-apa chat aja ya. Ya, I
Thank you
will
Kak.
stop with this video and see. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, selamat beristirahat, semangat. Tetap semangat, John.
Thank you
Nih,
Kak.
yuk. Oke.